The fuel filter is a crucial component of your car's fuel delivery system. By filtering out all of these contaminants, it makes sure that impurities, dirt, particles, dust, objects, and rust cannot enter the fuel and combustion chamber. Consequently, it is crucial to regularly change your fuel filter. It's important to understand all the symptoms of a failed or clogged fuel filter because problems with this part can arise earlier than we might think. In this short video, we will talk about 5 most common symptoms of clogged fuel filter. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Misfiring engine. Low fuel pressure, which frequently results in misfiring and other issues, can be caused by fuel entering the engine only sporadically. When accelerating your car, as well as when it is at rest, you can feel engine misfires as brief jerks. It's time to check when your filter was changed if you hear a lot of misfires when you accelerate your car. Check engine light. Modern automobiles have sensors installed on every square inch of the engine, which communicate any problems to the computer of the vehicle. The check engine light on the dashboard is then turned on by the computer, prompting you to have the vehicle inspected. The fuel pressure entering the system decreases if the fuel filter is broken, alerting the fuel pressure sensor and turning on the check engine light. Difficulty starting the car. You might experience trouble starting the car as the first sign that your fuel filter is beginning to clog. The car engine starting moment is quite crucial, and a lot of fuel is needed. If the fuel pressure drops too low, clogged filter could make it difficult to try to start your car. Bad performance. Low fuel pressure from a clogged fuel filter affects the engine's ability to perform at its peak. As you may be aware, you will probably notice that your car is moving much more slowly than usual if the fuel pressure drops too low. Engine stalling. Additionally, your engine may stall while you're trying to accelerate or even when it's just sitting at idle. This is due to the fact that when the fuel pressure is this low, the engine will run out of fuel and shut down completely. How often should you change the fuel filter? The replacement interval varies depending on the fuel type and car model. Generally speaking, you should replace your fuel filter every 4 years or every 37,000 miles. Diesel filters clog more frequently than those in gasoline vehicles, which do typically have longer replacement intervals. You should always consult your repair manual for the precise replacement interval, as some car models require the fuel filter to be replaced more frequently. Some automobiles do not require replacement on a regular basis. The truth is that many cars have an interval between replacements of up to 75,000 miles. Of course, this varies according to the type of fuel you use to fill your car. Some nations produce fuel of lower quality, necessitating more frequent replacement. Replacement cost. Depending on the car model and labor cost, the cost to replace a fuel filter ranges from $30 to $210. The price of the fuel filter can range from $10 to $60, while the cost of labor can be anywhere from $20 to $150. One of the parts that needs frequent and routine maintenance is the fuel filter installed in your car. If you have some fundamental knowledge of auto repairs, you can easily replace the fuel filter for a reasonable price by following the instructions in the service manual. There are high additional labor costs, though, if you choose to hire a mechanic or professional to do this. Hope the information was useful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.